Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which community was granted Scheduled Tribe (SENT) status in Himachal Pradesh in 2023? Answer: C. Hatti community. Question: who will conduct the caste census in Himachal Pradesh? Answer: C. State government employees including teachers and Anganwadi workers. Question: what legal issue is currently affecting the recognition of the Hatti community's SENT status? Answer: C. Judicial review and stay by Himachal Pradesh High Court. Question: how many assembly constituencies in Himachal Pradesh are reserved for scheduled tribes (STs)? Answer: B. 3. Question: according to political analysts, what is a potential impact of the caste census on Himachal Pradesh's politics? Answer: C. possible reshaping of welfare policies and influence on political dimensions. Question: when is the Himachal Pradesh High Court scheduled to hear the case related to the Hatti community's SENT status? Answer: B. July 2027. Question: which Indian city hosted the 10th India International Science Festival (IISF) in 2025? Answer: B. Guwahati. Question: what is the name of Asia's first water transport service launched by Uber in Srinagar? Answer: B. Uber Shikara. Question: which state's tableau won the first prize in the state's UTs category at the Republic Day Parade 2025? Answer: C. Uttar Pradesh. Question: who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in June 2025? Answer: A. Bhuvnesh Kumar. Question: which organization developed the world's largest 10-ton vertical planetary mixer for solid propellants? Answer: D. ISRO. Question: what is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index (CCPI) 2025? Answer: B. 10th. Question: who was crowned Miss World 2025? Answer: A. Opal Suchta Chuangasri. Question: which team won the Indian Premier League (IPL) title in 2025? Answer: B. Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Question: which ministry is responsible for the Kalagram for Mahakumbh 2025? Answer: A. Ministry of Culture. Question: which country's Prime Minister, Ilza Ndiovaz, announced her resignation in 2025? Answer: B. Sao Tome and Principe. Question: what is the theme of World Refugee Day 2025? Answer: B. Health for all, solidarity with refugees. Question: which Indian Navy ship conducted a hydrographic survey of Mauritius in 2025? Answer: B. INS Sarvekshak. Question: When is the International Day of Education observed annually? Answer: A. 24th January. Question: Which country developed the world's first deep-sea radar to detect high-flying aircraft? Answer: C. China. Question: In which state was the Indiramma Atmiya Bharosa scheme launched in 2025? Answer: B. Telangana. Question: Who inaugurated the Handloom Conclave Manthan in 2025? Answer: B. Giriraj Singh. Question: How many children were awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025? Answer: B. 17. Question: Which city will host the AI Action Summit 2025? Answer: B. Singapore. Question: What is the Supervisory Data Quality Index (SDQI) score of scheduled commercial banks in March 2025? Answer: B. 89.3. Question: Which organization launched the Enhanced Certificate of Origin (ECU) 2.0 system? Answer: C. DGFT. Question: Who was elected as the President of Belarus in 2025? Answer: C. Alexander Lukashenko. Question: What is the theme of World Kidney Cancer Day 2025, observed on 12th June? Answer: B. Understanding Kidney Health. Question: Where was the UTT 86th Senior National and Interstate Table Championship 2024 held? Answer: B. Surat. Question: When was World Leprosy Day celebrated in 2025? Answer: D. 26th January. Question: Who became the youngest female to conquer the highest peaks in all 7 continents? Answer: A. Kamya Karthikeyan. Question: Which organization partnered with MBMC to empower women entrepreneurs through the Faral Sakhi initiative? Answer: B. WEP. Question: Which bill was passed by the Parliament to replace the Aircraft Act of 1934? Answer: A. Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidhayak Bill. Question: What is India's rank in the World Economic Forum's Energy Transition Index (ETI) 2025? Answer: B. 71st. Question: Which state has the highest number of Gangetic dolphins as per the 2025 estimate? Answer: C. Uttar Pradesh. Question: Which ministry launched the One Day as a Scientist initiative? Answer: B. Ministry of Ayush. Question: What is the name of the new postal service for educational material delivery launched in 2025? Answer: C. Bharat Book Post. Question: Which country discovered a 4,000-year-old Neolithic wooden circle similar to Stonehenge? Answer A. Denmark. Question: which French overseas territory was hit by Cyclone Garance in February 2025? Answer B. La Réunion. Question: what is the theme of World Wildlife Day 2025? Answer A. Wildlife Conservation Finance. Question: which ministry launched the Green Hydrogen Certification Scheme of India, GHCI? Answer B. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Question: who won the Superbet Chess Classic 2025 in Bucharest, Romania? Answer A. R. Pragnanandha. Question: where was the statue of Bodo leader Bodofa Upendranath Brahma unveiled in May 2025? Answer B. New Delhi. Question: which state launched the Kisan Kalyan scheme in 2025? Answer B. Madhya Pradesh. Question: which badminton players received the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in May 2025? Answer B. Satvik Shiraj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty. Question: where is Mount Makalu, recently scaled by ITBP, located? Answer B. Nepal and Tibet. Question: which ministry is responsible for implementing the Jal Shakti Abhiyan? Answer D. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Question: what is lysosomal storage disorder, LSD, mentioned in recent news? Answer C. Rare genetic conditions causing toxic buildup. Question: which country's federal court blocked broad tariffs under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEPA? Answer C. United States. Question: where will the India-Mongolia Joint Military Exercise Nomadic Elephant 2025 be held? Answer B. Ulaanbaatar. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.